So guys, how are you doing? Good day and welcome to another monthly catch up, section 8. So we've been busy for the past week now making some work. We'll make those two bags, we'll be taking it to the client. We'll make this particular one as well. It's pink and purple. We mix it for the client, but we'll be sending it later on. They see the picture, they love it so much, but the person we'll be sending it to is out of their country to another country, so we have to exercise patience. Once they get back, we'll send it to them. Is another one again. The person that ordered this also ordered the second one, so I will be delivering this one today. I don't know if I can make a short video on the process of the delivery, so it will be among the catch up, but I will try my best and see how it goes. So this is just it. Right now we'll be packaging this now, then there will be, it's now time for me to take it there. So guys, that's just the update so far. Later on we'll continue with the rest of the activities we have at the workshop, and I will be showing you a lot. Okay, we've actually done a lot in the workshop so far, but I didn't get time to show you. Like, I went to the market, I bought some material. Oh, it's a little bit dark. Okay, I bought some fabrics. Actually, the fabrics I use for those particular bag I just show you, I bought some pink, I bought some purple, and this particular orange. Should we call this orange or yellow? I don't even know, but we bought this one as well. There are some projects. Also, we have some things planned up for the workshop. We're working on it pretty very soon. You guys will see some updates. So that's the update so far. We also make some souvenir. I didn't get to film and show you any picture because there's no time. It's just for a short period of time and it's a lot. So we make it and send it to the client. But probably if I can ask them to send me a picture, once they send, I will be sending it to you. So guys, this one, and once I package, I will just show you then the process of sending it to the player, to the clients. So guys, see you at the other side. Yes, my lovely neighbor. I'm not saying that. So, guys, welcome to the continuation of the
catch up. So for the past few weeks now, or yeah, for the past few weeks, I've been very busy going through a lot of stuff, doing some things. Right now, if I show you the workshop, you guys will be surprised what has happened so far. But let me turn the camera so you guys can see. And also, there's a waist bag I'm working on. I would like to do that, do a time lapse of that. With the previous one we did, I think the last time I talked to you, I said I will be delivering some bags to a white lady I make this a particular bag for. So I filmed a little bit of her when she was checking the bag. She was very excited. Then afterward, again, the making of the bag, I think I filmed a time lapse, and we attend a trade fair. I think I should be able to put few of the wrong way inside this month catch up. Then afterwards, then this particular now I'm going to show you right now. You guys should watch it. Probably this one I was talking about, everything I just made mention, you would have watched it before you see this one now. So right now you'll be watching the making of this fender pack. So guys, enough talking. Everywhere is just rough. Even I myself, I'm a little bit rough. Let me just turn the camera and I'll show you guys. See you at the other side.
So before I go, this is part of the thing that has keep me busy. You guys will remember this particular fabrics. We use it for a purse about few weeks ago. So I use it to initially I bought it to fix this particular chair. So I end up using that a little bit for some purse and some men purse as well. So everything is now done. So guys, see you guys later. So guys, I just finished the pack as you guys have watched the time lapse. So this is it so far, and it's looking nice. It's a gift for someone. I was supposed to make this earlier, but there's no time for me. That's why I make it, and it's already dark now. As you can see, everywhere is dark. It's already dark. So I think this is probably where I will be ending this month's catch up. I will try my best to still focus and work on other things. All our frame and our certificate are all here. We have a lot of things to do at the workshop. Probably the way it's going, I will keep you guys updated. So that's everything so far. So guys, thank you for watching. And by the way, I will be making this one. I'll be making another bag for this particular. I don't know, maybe I should do a tutorial for it, how to make it. Even this one I was supposed to do a tutorial, but I think I'm going to make another one. So probably I'll be making a YouTube tutorial for this particular Fande pack. So guys, enough talking. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next month's catch up.